Welcome to Auto Connect, where we link up automobile buyers and sellers together under one platform. Last week on the program, we mentioned an anti-explosion fireproof product, which is effective, tested, proven, and trusted. It was also said that the product is from the stables of Gaskin Autos and Resources Limited. This week, we are going to be showing you a physical test of the product.
For this burning, we have tried 72 hours. All right.
So you burned for 72 hours?
Yeah.
I never burned.
Never control.
Wow.
So now, you did, you go behind, and you touch the same spot.
Not hot. No single rise in temperature. Just cold.
Right now, an SUV is packed with its fuel tank opened. A gas cylinder is also opened. Mind you, the anti-explosion fireproof product is situated inside the car, hence the illustrator lights fire just by the fuel tank, which normally is supposed to cause a fuel explosion. But this anti-explosion fireproof product inside the car disallows that.
So you only put the lighter on. Put this near other cars, you get exploded. You don't do it near other cars without anti-explosive device installed. That is my safety warning.
So why wouldn't you want to get one of these products installed in your cars, trucks, chemical plants so as to reduce emissions, prevent fire and explosion? To become a distributor, agent, training or installation of fire anti-explosion, fireproof mechanism, anti-explosive device, call the numbers showing on your screen.
This is Gaskin Autos. We're dealing on anti-explosive devices. We are also into protection of cars, buildings, gas plants, helicopters, petrol stations against fire disaster. If you install our anti-explosive devices, it will give it a protection against explosion because explosion starts from fire. So this product will not simply allow fire to start at all. So it will make fire more friendly to man instead of the disastrous effect of fire.